I am Padre Gogo Anyover, and I am here right now because of what I was before or what went through me and had to. Okay? My parents are Mervin Nocon Anyover, and my mother's name is Maria Cleofas Ponferrada Anyover. And I grew up with their music, my mother's side and my father's side. Well, of course, they were listening to classics, not classical music, but their songs during their time. And, well, both sides of my family, my mother and my father, they were all musicians. Well, most of them. Di ako diri ako musician. But I love music, you know, and I guess and I believe that my family influenced me into, well, loving music, you know. And my influences, well, with music, I listen to blues music, you know. But before I came to love blues music, 70s music, rock music, amo ko dito yan, that's my influence. And then later on, I discovered na the songs that I liked during the 70s were actually blues influenced or were blues. So it was just later na I really went into blues. You know, that's me. But I love all kinds of music, you know, even hip-hop, you know, and, well, popular songs. And I got involved in the local music scene, I think way back in the 90s. You know? I'm not saying that I was the first to really introduce or start, that I was the one who started the music scene. And had to pa ito, even during my grandfather's time, they had their big band music, bagan kan Glenn Miller. They had a band, I saw pictures. Ano? And then, of course, I think the way I see history, I mean the history of the music scene of Tacloban, it was, I think, the first part, let's say the first wave was the time of my grandfather, maybe in the 40s or 50s. And then the second wave was the time of Noli Aurelio, Tex Almeria, Karangatanan, Damo Ituera, my idols. And then it stopped. I don't know for what reason that the music scene in Tacloban stopped, but it stopped. And then it started, well, I would say the music scene that we started was the third wave. And I remember I was in a bar and I saw, I saw the group of, the first band with original songs that I was able to listen to in a concert at the then Divine Word University was Jerby's group. I forgot the name then. And then after that, I was intrigued by their music. Now, there was this Cebu band nga nag-perform. It was the main the main act. Kadto nga, I think it was the pagahin U days, university days of the Divine Word, you know. And then, well, of course, they were playing new wave and popular songs, no original songs. And then when Nira Jerby, when they played, and they all played original songs, and people were, well, some people that were around me were booing them actually, but I enjoyed their music. And it intrigued me. Their music intrigued me. And then after that, I was in a bar. Mga damo pa after a month or 2 months. And then the bassist, bass creator, nagmumotor down na Avenida Veteranos, Imelda Avenue. And then ginkampay ko. And then that was the start of the plan to come up with a concert. Hirala, solo concert. And I remember the title, Drip Trip. Drip Trip. It was Jerby's idea. So, amo to start. Well, nagsunod-sunod na ito. Nagsunod-sunod na ito ng mga gigs until such time nga we came up with the Guli at Kangkabato. Actually, an plano lang to because ang mga kuan, ang mga bandan hadto, ano, they were all playing original compositions. Ano, may dagad guti ay ng mga covers, pero waray band hadto, well, those whom I got acquainted with hadto, ano nga, inin nagkukuha nila, puro original compositions sa nila. Like if they will play one set, siguro usalaan cover. Kung na-cover nga ni Hira, baga may dapanira ito arrangement. Dakon following han kuan ang mga local bands. Until such time nga damon group, iba-iba nga genre, puro original compositions. May dakanan popular music, uso man gud adto alternative, katapos may daan mga type mga pantera nga type panadto. And I was amazed han music sigunta nala ang musicality ang mga taga-Tacloban and their anira karoyang sigun ba ito anira the type of music that they were into, ano, o anira genre, ano, ang mga acts kay makita ko nga itong ira daradara nga mga cassette tapes na nadto. Diri mo diri mo mababatian ha airwaves. And I was so surprised kay waray man adto FM station din he. Ngan kon may dagan adto FM station ano, pero baga kay mga Kenny Rogers man lang itong pipinatukar. Baga waray good. Ambot kung may dadto napatukar hindi sa naman la 70s rock. Waray good, ano. So to. Now, and then time came nga, I think nag-conceptualize kami han Guliat kang Kabato. Actually, diri gad ako adto siya nagtikang hiton ini na iya ko lang organizer. Kaya ako man anoray banda, ano? Pero ang concept hadto was an usa nga grupo an usa nga banda matukar han original compositions han usa nga banda, ano? So diri hira matukar han ira original composition. Tapos duha ka stage, ano? Duha ka stage ang gibuhat pagpaparong didi, ada kay tikang dayon didi. Although ang pagtikang ito, may dagad mga cover songs, ano? May mga cover songs. Baga may ada katapusan nga bagay all-star ko ano, and nagkakatiring po nga tanan dito. May dalawa ta hugot-hugot. Kay may da iba nga mga vocalist lera. So baga diri hiragod baga nakakakumpleto. Pero nakanta the songs that they performed, the covers were The Doors, Rolling Stones, Aretha Franklin with Rolling Stones, may dato kanta, I forgot the title. And then may Francis Magalona, ano? Ito mga kanta. And then Juan de la Cruz. Ito. Sometimes, ayan na ano, people would ask me kung ano pa ito yung banda? Was I a member? Di ba may banda ka na to? Actually, I never had a band kay music-wise, instruments, magawari ko ito talent. Anakon la kabugtuan, ano? My brother, Jig, yan member, gitarista yan, Sangkay. Ano? Baga usad to yan ang mga sikatan na dito. And then my sister, actually it was my sister, Chacha. Ano? Nga, amo ko dito yan nagtikangan, nga may talent amon family. And later on, Jig, baga, sigunta nala, late bloomer nala tiya. Pero nawara na yan na. Anyway, amo ato, no, Guliat kang Kabato, nahimo ito, ano, mga anira compositions, ging kakanta, iba nga banda. And marisyad to, because all the bands, they were cooperative, ano. May dahad to kuan, may dahad to mga point persons nga parahan practice, ano, kanda Joseph Sayad tong practice, ano, nga may dala in charge nga mga tao nga matawag, ano, parahan practices, ano. Ito nira gimbubuhat, ano, wari man to cellphone, telephones only. So after that, ano, damo na induro ito nga mga gigs, we would go out of town, ano. Makuri ka doon, especially with finances, ano. Guti ay man lang sponsors usually, ano. Amo manggo dito kay uncorporate institutions, they do not believe in these things. So guti ay let on support, ano. But we had gigs, and concerts dito ha. Magkaiba, even in summer, nagkamay-ada kami ito. And then, of course, nga tanan na kung ano ang ada music scene, just like in any other place, amo gihapon na nahitabo. And during those times, and mga gigs, magsamok pagod dito. Permi ko dito may Kukniti, Rumble. Oh. Unlike yan na, very tame it mga tao yan na. No matter how merry or wild that pagsasayaw yan na itong mga ada concert nga dadamunduro, tame ito during amon time. Siguro, well, learning process, amo gito, you go through the process. Nga amo man ito nakikitaan magyapon na ibang mga lugar. I think kung nagtitikan ko ng music scene, amo ko dito masamok. And then later on, naupay na lang, na-tame na lang. So until now, amo ta akong gimbubuhat. I support in any way I can. Itong akong kaya, resources and everything to support talents and the music scene most especially because I love listening to music. Right now, kay Paddy naman ako, though I am still busy, with parish work, ato ko alang-alang, adap-dap yan sa barrio, mission station, Every time na I have time, nakanya ko cerebro. Actually, amo ito, we started with Kamalyan, Kamalyan's bar, We started with that kay, well, ang focus at is not really to make money, para lahan magkamay-ada venue ang mga musicians, Nga amo nga nito, andito padto ha Astrodome, Tacloban Convention Center, Kami ang first dito, nga dito mga slots dito, kami ang first nga nagtindog dito, Nga damo nagsisiring, makukuwang kahit to, di kayo malugi, Pero makuri man pagsiring nga, di rin man ini kwartahe. Basta, I believe nga, if you just set up the place, the venue, may damato kar dito, kay my experience was that the bands before Kamalyan's time, the bands, they had followers. They had followers. Kay I remember before a gig, damo man adto nga mga gigs gihapon namon gimbubuhat, school-based, People would approach me, young people, high school people. I was not yet a priest then, mapakyaan nila. Go and kulkog. Or makantayin so gadin ito. They were looking forward to the songs, nga mga original compositions. And there were songs also nga na-popularize din at Tacloban, well, cover songs, before it became popular Manila. Ito na ako nasasabtan, there were two songs nga became popular here first sa Tacloban before it became repopularized dito sa Manila, An Usa and the Teeth and Laklak, Pagsikat national, waray laos na hiya dinhi, Pero dinhi sikat adton duro even before it became popular, And then Tracy Chapman's Baby Can I Hold You, amo da itong title, So amo ito ang ka-popular mga bands, local bands. Well, maybe di rin popular good, citywide, pero may following, may followers. So di rin ko nahadlok nga malulugi ang Kamalyans because nasabot ako magkaabot na ini, break even, okay na. And break even good man. So it thrived for some years, 2 to 3 years, I forgot. Pero makurimang good, iton baga, well, nagkamayada mismanagement, management problems, nagbalhin in lugar, then eventually nawara. And I was happy, nga, anakon lang to nga, there will be other people, even before Kamalyans, I was, labi na when I entered the seminary, I was dreaming and hoping there will be other people who will be able to organize concerts and events, gigs, who will be able to do that. I'm not saying makarita ko but ako nun with the pure intentions that I had, because there were there were other organizers, ano, but then again, what happened is that kairon mga banda usually damon reklamo, and then di real what pag inambog, they would prefer me organizing because I really take care of the bands. Naintindihan ko, I understand the organizers because an ira good man is to raise money, to have money. And in my case, di rin man ito asya. Everybody happy, hubog, tanan, may utang pa. May utang pa, Pero dami ito nga sugad, Ngan, ami ito. And I was happy with Kendall, Pag siring nga may plano ko no cerebro ganito, ito, mauropay na ito yan na. Kay may ada na, And then, ito. So, laylo. Kay ada naman ito. So, I was hoping it will catch on, that a lot of establishments will be able to open their places as venue for the local musicians, But sad to say, oray pa. But there are plans, And I'm still here to help, to assist. Limited, itakon resources and everything, but adi lagi hapon nabulig lagi hapon ako, okay? I help. A lot of memories, damo good man ito magkarit din niya Tacloban. Hiya ko, actually, ambot nagsusubra dat akong pagkabilibit mga Tacloban, from Tacloban, nga even itong mga performers sa Manila, I would really compare them with taga Tacloban. Masay ko, sus, mas makarit pa day Rex iton, oy mas makarit pa day Aimee iton. Oo, pa ito Kendall nga nakanta, pa Jerby, sus, well, people would contradict me, pero siguro sobra ko dito akong pagbilib. And I think, iton aton na music scene, I think if people would really just look at it seriously, mag-focus, magkita, they would see a lot of talents. Much better talents than in Manila. Well, proportion-wise, itong population, damo good din here. And because I love listening to music, I'm still here. I had no idea that I will, it was like a spur of a moment thing. Okay, para hubog man ko na kwadto, I don't know. Damo lang ton ideas. I actually, even before the first gig with Jerby's group, I called them Rain Eternal. I came up with that name. Yes, I came with that name, but I just suggested it because Jerby was saying, "Oh, ano matatig nga ngaran?" Well, it was I suggested to him, how about Rain Eternal? And umayon man hiya. And it was a great kuan. It was a great what is this? It was a great gig. It was a great event. It started at 6 p.m. Natapos by 7:30. Tagay kay gutiyay palan inabot kay 6 o'clock. Who would come at 6 o'clock? So, ang ira bugos nga set, they repeated it at 8 o'clock. Nag-utro yara. Oh. Every gig was memorable in some way. And in, may damang gihapon mga uro intrigat banda. Ako lagi hapon na nasalo. One time, kay kuan man ito, baga nagpapasikat-sikat naman ng mga bands, di ba? Kung hinuton, kay may mga followers good man nira. One time there was a gig, a UP. And tumukar nan usa nga banda. Grirish na mga tao. They were jumping out there. Everyone was drunk and everyone was tigda nag-power out, nawara ang power. Di ako nalisang ako, sus, nakakagtuhaluyo. May daw sa nga member no sa nga band. Dito, nagre-kay dito man ni Ranluyo. They were drinking and nagre-risyo gihapon ni Rambanda. Tungodan nira paglinukso-lukso dito, natamakan napalus ang sakit. So, klaro ko din doon, nakita ko ang usa, di ko na lang ngaran. Eh, hubog-hubogan, nasa yung unplug, nasa yung kas naabot ako. Go! Anong ko ini? Sa kakayos din ako, kung nakitaan at tuya nga may dasugad at to, nag-aagway at so. Kaya kuan man at tumasi nga ginsabotaki. So ako nagkuan. So iwas din ni dayon, tapos ako sagsugad dito. Mga memorable, well, may daghihapon mga bad bad ano ito, mga panhitabo, things that happened, like one of our supporters nabunok, usa nga gig. I think it was during the gig, the first gig, ang drip trip, dito man ladto ha UP, kasulod, may danaper sa pagsulod. They were trying to force themselves, pero may danabulig liwat pagpersa ko. Rarambol mga hubog. Nabuno na ngayon here. Love for music and my belief in the talents of Tacloban. Ito. Ito ba, I don't know, maybe it's my personality. Nanghihinayang ba ko itong may potential ba? That is why, di ba, pag siring ko nga, because we did it before this radio program. Years before, we had this radio program every Sunday, 1 hour. Naka-guest nga ni Adjura Rex. Naka-guest ni Adjura Rex. Tapos may interview. 1 hour and 30 minutes, we feature mga foreign na mga acts na mga legends na diri gud magbugat. Like Carole King, i-feature naman ito. Dinah Washington, Jazz Liwat, i-feature naman ito. 30 minutes, amon 1 hour. And then the 30 minutes, local performer, live. Tapos may interview. Okay. Local radio, national nga radio, FM station, Pero tapos natapos adto. It was just one summer. We called it we entitled it the Purple Summer Series. To namon title. Purple Summer Series. If I'm not mistaken, to. Then na-stop. And then yan I had a plan nga amo iton. Nagkuang kami, we made a proposal I think last April and we talked with the radio station. But then again, makuri man. And then when I told Kendall about this, and then nagsabi may dalawat kami, 2 hours. Radyo Bombo. Ito na, ayun na, ori na kami. Ma-stop na kami amon, kay aada na. So, amo ito takon drive. As long as makukuha na, magmamaupay pa itong local music scene, itong talents din na Tacloban, it doesn't have to be me. Bisin, ma-support ako ito dito kung dito. Kay Pabi ako, di rin mapaypay ko ni Kendall kay may time, may resources. Okay, maupay nga ni, ato ka na lang, pagkita ba, pakpak. That's what I do. I enjoy doing that. Because when I organize, I cannot eat. Damo itong kalilisangan. Siguro, you have to start from somewhere. So you have to, I think, siguro influence gada dito nato na nga tanan that we have to imitate. Even if we try to do something original, may influence man good kita hiton. Di may ito pwede masiring waray good. May influence kita ito nga tanan. But of course, you try to focus on that. You're being original. Try to be original. Saring paman. If you sing a cover song, iba hiton, sugar hiton. And then try to be original. Do not please. Pleasing the crowd will come later. Pleasing the crowd will come later. You express yourself. Express yourself. Of course, dami ito't ma-offend, damo siguro ito But try to be you and try to be original. And strive, practice. Amo ko dito. Because there are a lot of talented musicians nga waray nga ni discipline, waray good. Waray good. Kadamon doro I've experienced that, my talent. Pero hubya mag-practice, natapod lat iya kakarit, makarit gad, pero kung di ka mag-practice, what's the use? Ma-perform ka good. And with the organizers, you have to balance your need for money. Of course, amo gud dito organizer, you will need money of course, pero siguro nga importante good if you really have to care for the performers, for your talents, no? You really have to care for them. Kay basta bad vibes iton usa nga event or usa nga activity, pag something is wrong, ano? Waray trust, waray it's not good without the trust. So you have to really show the talents that you really care for them. That's my experience. So that's how I do it actually. I serve them. Actually, it has been done by Amy, pero kulang pa. Ano? Actually, it was not my plan. I tried to assist. It was a big thing. It was a big thing, the arts festival. I want to do it again, pero it will take resources, really. I want it for 5 days or 6 days. Mo pa ito nga concept. It was a good concept, you know. You have the creative writing people, you have the sports people, di ba? We had a longboard competition, and we had, I think, a skimboard competition also, and then poetry, and then hip hop and rock, and then national performers coming, and they had a what is this? The guitar clinic, Louis Talan, and then the blues performance. And blues nga night, ano? Oh, I don't know if it was really a blues night, ano? Baga, Ranoli, ano? It was really well appreciated. Gutiela na kadto. I mean, compared to the other performances, other nights, ano? Gutiela, pero the mga music lovers go dadto na kadto. Ano, it's my dream. Realizable, but and another dream is to really go national. Someone going national. That's why I am happy that Banal is there. Ano, and I get to listen na itong reviews na baga maupay man. Although baga kulang pa dahil gigs, but I am happy that Banal is there. Ano? Well, Noli is there also. Pero iba man good iti yung music liwat. Ano? Di parasit kang Banal damo good. Ano? Mas popular man good tiya reggae tiya ko ano. Ito to regular, maybe not necessarily yearly. Pero paros but Baguio Arts Festival, so ganito. Music festival, ano? Or a blues festival. Waray man good din yung nagbo-blues good. May dadto sa nga banda, Glass Onion, mopeto kay an era influences Jimi Hendrix. Era Titan. Mopeto. Actually, nanto mopeto kay Damon Duro. Iba-iba nga kuan usa nga banda alternative. Ano? Pearl Jam nga influence. Pagabot di diyan Glass Onion, Jimi Hendrix. Ano? Pagabot kan Jerby, baga Rumble man lang to. Sangkay popular music nga waray. So may following amot. That was one thing that I liked about Sangkay also. And even itong era song yan, itira, well, just one song din kakanta pa ni Bulingling. Ano? Ito. Well, not really. Well, itong diversity, yes. Yes. Yan na baga waray iton, waray. Itong kulang. Gusto ko nga ni gihapon iton kan Wayne, ano? Iton, well, that 70s music ko nawara iton. It was popular during the 70s. Siya when Shakey's was so popular sa Manila, di ba? Amo man ito. I'm hoping nga bumalik gihapon ito. Kaya actually may following ito. Damo pa man tlagas din. Damo pa tlagas din. Iton, well, of course, there is God, but we need to hand down iton aton influences. Ano? We need to hand down it aton kakayahan. And I think it is a process. Ano? I think it will just happen. But it might die also. For example, yan, striving pa man good. So we really need to to regroup and to really be united. Orelaan na itong mga doro diferensya. Well, maybe adaga dito, ano? Pero hopefully, itong differences, diri kay irreconcilable. We can iron out things, ano? Okay. Itong, well, I really do not have much of a message, but just to keep on. Do not stop playing. Do not stop making music. Amo ko dito. Because if you stop playing and stop making music, well, eventually it will die. It will die. So keep on. And kami liwat na supporters, we will always be there for everyone.